You can't even, the Calgary Tower no longer exists.
Yes, this is downtown. You wouldn't be able to tell otherwise.
I know.
Oh my god, look at the flash flood down on the street.
Oh my god. There goes the ambulance. You guys might be busy in a minute.
Yeah, who knows? A lot of people are pulling out of the bridge just to, like,
Calgary
avoid.
Tower is not even a thing anymore.
Yeah, like I said, like an hour ago, there's nothing out there.
Nothing. Look at the river coming around the
I know.
corner.
This is why storm drains can be dangerous. That is a lot.
Oh my god.
The sirens in the background.
I want to go home. I want to be in my home.
Oh man, you were here for
Look
the.
how much the streets cleared out.
I know.
Immediately.
People are trying to find places to park their cars so they don't
Yeah.
get damaged.
It's like it's snowing.
It's going a long time too. Like usually
Yeah,
hail
no, usually
lasts
hail
like a
is
couple seconds,
Yeah.
or a minute at most. This has been going like 5 minutes. Oh, you can see the Calgary Tower again.
Oh, goody. Yeah, I mean the clouds were like seriously hauling ass, so it'll probably pass
Yeah.
in like 5 minutes.
People on the
but-
trains. Maybe we'll just stay on a little while longer.
Yeah. Look at the big splashes it's making in the stream there. Look at the river on the other side.
Oop, whoa. Got a little bit of a lag on my video there. Holy crap. No, the whole street. Look at the whole street. Look at it.
I know.
That. What?
Oh my god.
I know, right? What's in the middle of the street right there?
A puddle?
No, there's something else. Like, on the road. That little pylon-y thing.
I don't know. Should probably not be there.
No.
I need a car to drive through so I can...
The train is just kind of sitting there.
I know, the train has stopped. Dude, I need you to drive through that so I can capture. I think there's an announcement on the train station.
Hi, we're pausing trains for a few minutes, mainly because there is a gigantic death puddle moving towards the platform. That is...
Look at it go.
That's a flash... Yeah, if this gets any worse, we're gonna have a flash flood on our hands. Like, if this keeps going. It looks like it's letting up a bit, but...
Yeah.
You can at least see Olympic Plaza again.
Right.
At least there's no tornado warnings. We're not gonna have to crowd in the basement with
Are
a
you
bunch of
sure?
smelly people.
Are you sure? Oh, they drove through it after I stopped recording.
Still haven't got any warning yet, so... That, again, it
Yeah,
still
but your
says
phone-
sunny days,
yeah,
so...
Your phone says sunny. Look at it, like, advancing down this street.
Global warming, oh my god.
Look at it go.
Whoosh.
They're, like, pushing it down the street.
Whoosh. That poor soul down there with the little umbrella.
Run.
Oh, my umbrella's falling apart, help!
Yeah, well, they brought an umbrella. I didn't.
I have an umbrella if you wanna... there goes another one. Oh my god, look at the, like, river all the way down, like...
Can't people keep it together for, like, 5 minutes? We already have to have the sirens. Or these preemptive sirens. Should probably start counting our break. 17:25.
Yeah, that's fine. This is exciting. They look like ice flows.
I know.
It's still hailing, like that's hail coming down. Oh.
It's like a Boyce Mountain stream now. Everything's just stopped. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
What is the train can't go until that thing.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Like someone might have to get out and get it, but no.
I mean, if I were crossing the road or something, I'd go get it.
Well, you don't even know what it is. Maybe it like even fell off the...
Look how high it is.
Look at all the people in
Look how high it goes up on the car. Can you see it?
Yeah.
See the wheels?
Yeah. All those people down in the Tim Hortons there. Hey, at least they've got Tim
Oh, yeah.
Hortons. train's just
It's
chilling.
starting to come up. Look at that. It's coming up onto the sidewalk.
Well, that bodes well. Oh, lightning.
Um,
There's something being washed up there. I don't know what that is, but it's
ice.
there's a metal thing in there.
Run, get inside.
A lot of people probably running over to the library because it's bigger
Yeah.
than that awning.
Oh, yeah. Cops down there. And they're like, what the hell? It looks like it's stopping.
I'm just waiting for one of these people to like fall into it and be like, ah. Oh, they're going. Whatever that was on the street.
It looks like it's letting up.
Yeah.
Look at all the ice on top of the train.
Wow.
Oh, are the police coming to see us? Oh,
Coming
no.
to say hi? No. That car is still just stuck in water.
Can you, like... Yeah, look at that.
Huh.